Today we are going to check various aspects of Lightrooms, like as you can see highlighted on the screen. We have libraries, then we have development suite. So as you can see, we have many views in the library, in different kind of views. You can see multiple photographs at the same time. You can see the comparison, you can see a single file, and there are some other aspects as well in the library. Now going to the development part, then the actual features can be seen on the left hand side. On the right hand side, basically you have in the top is histogram, then we have various tools. For example, as you can see here, gradient tool and brush adjustment tools, and then you can we'll first show you how to control the size. And yeah, okay, the next one, as you can see, we have a list of other tools which control how the photograph can be changed. For example, here we have changing the contrast and clarity, basically clarity of the tool. Then we have vibrance and the saturation. Going to the next part, you can see the curve. Using this you can control the highlights and midtones and in the dark areas of the photographs separately. Then you have color control. If we go further down, then we have noise control as well, where you can do the process of removing the noise and what level you want to remove it. Then comes the part which is lens calibration. As you can see, you can set up the collaboration, and you can choose various companies or brands. So if it's a registered one, Adobe actually can find it automatically, which lens, because it is part of your XIF photograph XIF values. Yeah. Okay, there are various other tools available here. Now going to the right hand side, you can see, I think this part you can check in my previous video. It's the presence. Okay, we'll just close them all down before moving to the next one. Using presence, you can do a lot of things. It helps in quickly editing your photographs. Now going to the next level, you have the history, then you have the collection. Collection helps us to organize. This is one of the aspects of Lightroom. Lightroom basically helps you in organizing, developing, and sharing the photographs. Maps is one of the things. It's just, yeah, I don't use it, but you can use it. Then other aspect is creating. You can create a book out of the photographs which you have. This tool is actually used by professionals a lot, and some of these tools are used by professionals for creating. As you can see here, you can actually create a book automatically, and system will choose the photographs for you, but you can change these photographs as well. Now going to the slideshow part, the same thing. You can create the slideshow as well, and using the Lightroom, or you can drop the pictures. Currently it just shows one picture, but there are others. It helps in printing. I'm not going to go through that because it has to be covered in another video about color management. And then goes to the web, this part, how you can share the pictures on web. And then we'll go through the last part of it. Okay, coming back to the library.